Howdy YouTube, this is Dustin 2011. How y'all doing tonight? I'm doing pretty good. Have y'all ever watched the videos about the strange noise that's been hearing from around the world lately? Yeah, I've been watching those videos and it's got me puzzled and everything because it sounds just like metal scraping against metal and stuff. And I got a video here I want y'all to look at. I think y'all seen it before, but if you didn't, uh, I'll bring it up here and let y'all see it. Hold on. Y'all hear that? Scary as shit, ain't it? Hear the metal? Man, that's some scary ass shit. Oh man, I'm telling you, man, that is some scary ass shit. If you out there in those woods and you hear something like that right there, man. If I was those two dudes, I would have been running for my car and got the hell out of there. I wouldn't be standing there just looking up in the sky like this. Uh-uh. Mm-mm. And that's the strange sound. I mean, it sounds just like scraping metal up against each other. Here's one opinion of somebody else's. I watched another person's on YouTube. I watched his video and he stated that we are on a spaceship, an old, big, long spaceship that our Earth had been destroyed long ago, and we got saved and we got put on this ship and everything around us is nothing but hologram and 3D holographic images and stuff, and those sounds we're hearing is saying that the ship is getting old and decrepit. I mean, it's tearing apart, or it's getting to our new location where the new Earth is at and stuff. But I I don't believe that. No, I don't. But that was somebody else said that on YouTube. I'm not going to mention his name and stuff, but he said that we're on. I mean, he didn't really said it. He just put it into a scenario of the way it goes. I mean, it sounds just like metal scraping metal. I mean, and it's loud. People was hearing it back in 2011 in Brazil and Europe and over here in Canada, but this year it's getting louder. It's getting louder. I just don't know. But I've been watching other sound videos of it, and it's the same sound. Every video you watch about this weird, strange sound, it's the same damn thing. It's the same metal scraping metal. That's how it sounds like. So, no, I just wanted to tell y'all about that and stuff, and I'm not doing much here, just sitting here and just goofing off and playing on YouTube and stuff, watching YouTube videos. I'm just waiting on my wife to get back and give me some more cigarettes. I ran out today, so I'm waiting on her to get back. So, well, that's all I got to say and stuff. So, go to YouTube and type in strange sounds that's been hearing around the world in the search box of YouTube, and you'll find out what I'm talking about. So, I'll catch y'all later, and y'all have a pleasant and good night. So, peace out.